Welcome to the Reduced Cyber Risk CISSP exam questions, episode 12, domain 3, security architecture and engineering. Hi, my name is Sean Gerber with Reduced Cyber Risk, and this is part of my ongoing series that I provide CISSP training videos and audio for people that are working to study for the CISSP exam. All of these questions come directly from the CISSP training that I provide at udemy.com. You can check that out at udemy.com and get some awesome CISSP training for not a lot of money. It's amazing. It really, truly is. So go check that out. But let's get started into these questions. The first one is a TCP IP stack. And what are some security mechanisms to protect communication of the TCP IP stack? Okay, A, virtual private network, VPN. B, point-to-point tunneling protocol, PPTP. I always say that like it's fun. Secure shell, SSH, or D, all of the above. So which of the security mechanisms are designed to protect communications of the TCP IP stack? A, VPN, virtual private network. B, point-to-point tunneling protocol, PPTP. Or C, secure shell, or D, all of the above? And the answer is D, all of the above. A VPN extends a private network across a public network, which you go to your Starbucks or wherever, and you can then log into your VPN and have access to your corporate network or your home network. But it allows it to extend beyond your just one local area network. And it basically allows you to send and receive data across these shared public networks, utilizing the different computing devices that are available. So again, that's the VPN. PPTP uses a TCP control channel and generic routing encapsulation, that's a big $20 word, tunnel to encapsulate PPP packets. Now, many modern VPNs use various forms of UDP for this same functionality. And PPTP is kind of gone away, the dodo bird, but it is still something that can be used. It's not really recommended. It's better off using a VPN, but it is something that you may see on the CISSP exam because we still talk about PPTP. It's pretty cool when you say it 20 times. Secure shell. This is a cryptographic network protocol for operating network services securely over an unsecured network and allows you to basically encapsulate the communication channel. So again, D, all of the above. VPNs, PPTP, and SSH are all security mechanisms to protect communication of the TCP IP stack. IP4. So we're talking about IP version 4. How many unique IP4 IP addresses are on a Class A or are on Class A host? Okay, so you have A is 23,156,569.2. Not just calculating with 0.2. B 16,777,216, or D 65,534. Okay, so Class A IP4. 23,156,000 and some change. B, 16,777,000 and some change. And D, 65,534. Or D, none of the above. And the answer is B, 16,777,216. Yeah. Basically, what it comes down to is you have some large /8 blocks, your CIDR blocks that are there of IP4 addresses, and these basically make a lot of IP space. They really do. The former Class A network blocks are assigned in whole to single organizations, and we have seen in the past, like you got your AT&Ts, they'll have a whole Class A network, and they will then delegate out IP addresses from IP4. Now, as we all know, IP version 6 is going to blow the socks off. Well, not going to. It does blow the socks off IP version 4. But those are basically the IP addresses. So 16 million is a lot, but IP version 6 blows that out of the water. But these are basically assigned by Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, which is ICANN, through the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, which is IANA, or the Regional Internet Registry. So basically, each 8/8 block CIDR, which is 2 to the 24th, is 16,707,216 addresses. All right. SCTP, Stream Control Transmission Protocol. SC, Sierra Charlie Tango Papa, is a computer networking communications protocol which operates at which layer? A, the presentation layer. B, the transport layer. C, the data link layer. Or D, the application layer. Again, back part of the 7-layer burrito. A, presentation layer. B, transport layer. C, data link layer. Or D, application layer. And the answer is B. Transport Layer Stream Control Transmission Protocols, SCTP, is a computer networking communication protocol which operates at the transport layer and serves up a role similar to the popular TCP and UDP protocols. So you got your TCP IP and you got your UDP, which is your Uterdata Packet Stream, I think is what it is. Uterdatagram Packet. Yeah, that's what it is. But it's basically a broadcast. And it's similar to that. It provides some of the features of both UDP and TCP, and it's message-oriented like UDP and ensures reliable in-sequence transport, which UDP doesn't always do that. And then it does provide you congestion control like TCP. UDP is just basically a broadcast. It differs from these protocols by providing multi-homing and redundant paths to increase resiliency and reliability. But it's not as common as TCP and UDP. So again, there's a lot of P's in there. Stream Control Transmission Protocol. That is the answer, and it is the answer is Transport Layer is what's connected to Stream Control Transport Protocol, which is B. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this training. This is kind of a short one on the last bit about when we're dealing with section domain 3. But as we're dealing with domain 3, you can find these questions on my training on the CISSP training at udemy.com. You also can find these on Wikipedia, some answers to these questions. They have some a plethora of information there. But again, check me out at udemy.com at Sean, S-H-O-N, Gerber, like the baby food. And you can get some awesome training just for not a lot of money. And then go to reducecyberrisk.com /CISSP-training, and you can get access to my CISSP training as well through udemy.com. So go to Udemy or go to Reduce Cyber Risk and get your CISSP on. All right, have a great day. We'll catch you on the flip side. See ya.